To get started, pour about 3 cups of milk into a medium sauce pot. Warm the milk over medium heat until it barely comes to a simmer. Allow it to cool for about 30 minutes or until it's warm to the touch. In a separate bowl, combine yogurt and temper it with a few spoonfuls of the warmed milk. Stir well until it's well combined, and then pour the yogurt mixture into the sauce pot. Stir again and place a lid on top of the pot. Next, you'll place the entire pot into a warmed oven overnight, ideally for 8 to 12 hours. At this point, the yogurt will have firmed up and it will be ready to pop into the refrigerator. If you want strained yogurt, then line a colander with a tea towel and pour the mixture into the tea towel and allow it to strain until you have reached your desired thickness. It's going to range from anywhere from 1 hour to 10 hours.